Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through accessing your Tesla Owner's Manual, both on-screen and as a PDF. As of December 2025, Tesla prioritizes digital manuals, offering real-time updates and integration with your vehicle's system. We'll show you how to find and use these resources effectively. Tesla no longer provides printed manuals standard with its vehicles. The on-screen manual is directly integrated into your Tesla's infotainment system. This allows you to access help right from your vehicle's touchscreen. To access it, tap the Help icon on the touchscreen, usually found at the bottom. Then, select Manual from the menu that appears. This will open the interactive manual with hyperlinked sections for easy navigation. This manual adapts to your Tesla's current software, highlighting relevant features like full self-driving capabilities. Once the manual is open, you can browse through various sections like charging, maintenance, and safety. Use the search function to quickly find specific information. As of the 2025.10 software update, you can also use voice commands like, "How do I use autopilot?" for AI-assisted navigation within the manual. Remember, this on-screen manual is updated via over-the-air (OTA) software updates. For offline access to your Tesla Owner's Manual, visit tesla.com to download the PDF version. Once on the website, navigate to the Support section in the main menu. In the Support section, choose Manuals to access the available downloads. Select your specific Tesla model and region to get the correct PDF manual. The PDF manual is searchable, printable, and includes embedded videos. It's perfect as a backup for offline use or reading on a separate device. The PDF manual serves as a comprehensive resource for Tesla owners. Its searchable format allows you to quickly find information on any topic, from charging procedures to advanced features. When downloading the PDF, ensure you select the correct version for your vehicle model and variant. For example, Model 3 manuals differ for Standard Range Plus, Long Range, and Performance versions to provide accurate model-specific information. The PDF manual also functions as an excellent reference tool when scheduling vehicle maintenance. You can review maintenance schedules, error codes, and service procedures to prepare effectively for visits to the service center. Tesla's manuals are constantly evolving. As of 2025, a large percentage of interactions with the car's systems involve voice commands, according to Consumer Reports. Future manuals are expected to incorporate more AI, offering personalized tutorials and predictive assistance. This aligns with the broader EV industry trend towards software-defined vehicles. Let's look at real-world examples of Tesla owners using the manuals effectively. First, imagine a new Model Y owner who needs to learn about using superchargers. They tap the Help icon on the touchscreen display, then select Manual to access the on-screen version. The manual provides a guided tutorial with videos and step-by-step instructions on how to connect and charge at a supercharger station. This helps avoid common mistakes and ensures a smooth charging experience. Now consider a Model S owner who encounters error codes. They visit tesla.com, navigate to Support, and download the PDF manual for their specific model. Using the searchable PDF, they look up the specific error codes, read the descriptions, and understand what actions to take. This allows them to troubleshoot issues before visiting a service center, potentially saving time and money. These examples, and many others like them, showcase the adaptability and user-centric design of Tesla manuals, making them effective educational tools for owners. Experts praise Tesla's digital manual for being intuitive, always updated, and reducing waste. User surveys show high satisfaction with the on-screen manual, citing ease of use. Tesla reports high annual usage numbers via on-screen access, indicating its success as the primary resource for owners. By adopting digital manuals, Tesla has cut down on paper waste,